Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. 1,728 times, if you feel so inclined, per day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the God of Light, the God of Sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. All should be respected. Work on your appreciation of sacred literature. New are other than what is known by disciplic succession. Mantras may be learned by practice and connecting to the solar principle. Scriptural epics must have cosmology. Now that relates to human history and guidance towards spiritual goals, some will only be known through scripture and philosophy, will be a limiting filter. And remember, philosophy isn't exactly the same thing as, oh, some dude said something, so you're repeating stuff. Statues and mere water features doesn't make a holy place. The equiposed devotees will gain specification from spiritual beings and their respect. Supplicate for the spiritual understanding of yourself and others. Miracles and other divine intervention is not of the standard cycles of material events. So the astrological ages isn't exactly the change of the guard and all that stuff. Divinity is more, particularly with some things and service. The spiritual beings play a role in every type of material existence. Worth is to be considered in terms of relation to divinity. The honest will accept the imperfect in service to the infallible. Fasting multiplies deeds. Some scripture has not been corrupted, and some revelation and inspiration makes for better guides to life than others. Some beings can walk into dreams and visions of others, and some can implant or manipulate sound and other senses too. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Green, black, purple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.